Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix character AI not loading. So if you have issues with character AI not loading, so there's a couple of things that you can try in order to fix it. So whether you're using the web or on your mobile devices, so the certain things that you can do is firstly, like when you open up your character AI and you have issues, so you can try firstly to update your app. So if you have any updates on your web app, or if you're using a mobile device, see if there is an update on your app, or if you're using your web app, see if there's an update on your browser. So for example, if I go to settings here, and if I'm using Chrome, I'll just go to Chrome and see if there is any updates. So if there is any updates on your browser or your apps, just upload it, just update it. And then once that's done, then what you can do, you can go to your app settings and also or your browser settings if you're using the browser, your web browser. So go to your browser settings here and then try clearing your browsing data. So click on clear browsing data and then try to clear your cookies and cache. So try to tick these two boxes and try to clear this data. Same with the mobile devices. If you're using on mobile devices, go to your app settings and try to clear these ones as well. So try to clear your cache and cookies, and then once you've cleared your data here, your browsing data here, now try to relaunch the app and it should fix up the issue. Or if you're still having issue, what you can do, you can reinstall your apps, your web your mobile apps, and then see if that fixed up the issue. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.